this is a contrast video of what I thought I'll be doing at the beginning of the year, right? And what I'm doing right now. And trust me, there's a huge difference in both the things. And I also cover a bit of what I think I'll be doing by the end of this year, which is crazy because I'm not sure how much of that will be true. So, in the beginning of the year versus me right now. Fuck. Huh, I just wanted to say that. One, I thought that I'll be borderline fit, if not fat, right? If not, sorry, if not sexy, right? By the mid of December, but it's been 4 months and tone तो नहीं है but मोटा ही हूँ, right? First. Second is that by in the beginning of the year, I thought that I'll be minimum average, like above average level of English speaker after this daily conversation with the camera. And I still don't think that I'm at that level, which is kind of sad. At the beginning of the year, I thought that I would have one way or one source of money, which would be like there, like something that I'll start growing. But it's nowhere to be seen. Like right now, I don't see anything like that which can become a good source of money. Right? Third हो गया. Fourth, well, in the beginning of the year, I had 21 books to read. And guess what? How many do I have right now? 22. Bro. And when I think about it in that way, I feel that there's no improvement. But I've been working every day for the last 4 months. So there should be an improvement, but I can't see an improvement which brings this weird weekend between, I don't know, the work I did, the result I wanted, and what I am right now. So it's kind of depressing, and I see this smiling because ha ha ha, and shit. Let's keep the energy low, like not low, but like what I'm speaking. So 2 मिनट हो गए तो लाइक थोड़ी और बड़ी वीडियो बनाऊंगा मैं और मेरे को और कुछ बात करनी थी. Bro, I really want to cater English speaking people, but I feel that I just delve into Hindi again and again. Ha, Hindi se aata hai. There's one thing that I want to say which has no context with the title of this video, but I come from Delhi, right? I've lived for 17, 15 years in Delhi, 15, 16 years in Delhi, and every second line of my conversation is a gali up until a very long period. So whenever I shift from English to Hindi, there are galis that just enter in the conversation, and then I have to trim it off or do something about it. And whole context of my channel is that I don't trim videos, although I will from now on because behin chod. but but yeah, that's it. And what else? Well, see, by the like, I'll be turning 20 this December, right? And I won't tell you my birthday because it's 2nd of December, 2005. Haha, gift de dena. But, but I thought that I want to be at a very top tier level by the time I hit my birthday, like next birthday, and I can just look into my family ki aankhein and go, haha, देगा बन गया ना 20s में and nowhere to be seen yet. Ah, I think that I'm speaking random bullshit, gibberish, and there's a chance that you won't watch this. But if you do subscribe, like, comment, शेयर भी कर दो और 10-15 बार देख लो इस वीडियो को ताकि मैं एकदम ही कुछ अमीर-अमीर हो जाऊँ. हिंदी में नहीं बोलना हो. सब्सक्राइब. पाली.